Holy shit, dog. Just fucking thunder. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Germany. So right now I am in my hotel room. So this is where I slept last night, and as you can see, this is how the hotel's rooms looks like. I have already packed my bag. I have my shoes on, and now I need to figure out where to be next. So today we are going to explore the cities, and we are also going to ride the subways, we are going to ride the trains. So that is what we are going to do today. And then in these hotel rooms here, once you enter, they give you some types of these, how do you call it, Haribo, you know, they are like gummies that you can use. I don't know how do you call it in English. Anyway, let me know on the comment section, how do you call that in English. So you also have water here. Unfortunately, this water is with gas. I don't drink that. I mean, I don't get used to that anyway. So, and there you also have a TV. Then here you have the toilet. Check out this mirror here. I know look good, you know. And here is the toilet. There you also have one. Yes, I used this one yesterday because I was so thirsty that I don't have any other water to drink right now. And here is the toilet. So that is what we are going to do today, to explore the cities here in Germany, to also ride the trains and the subways. Guys, make sure if you are watching this video, you subscribe to the YouTube channel, thumbs up, and you also share it as well. So welcome to Germany. Let's go and explore the beautiful cities across the country. So I will see you guys soon. Welcome to Köln main station, or how do you pronounce it? Cologne main station in Germany. So here is the train station, and over there you also have that famous building, how do you call it, Köln Dome, something like that. And yeah, so here is the train station. Let me just walk you guys a little bit through this train station here. It's a big train station, and it's also up there. Let me just. All right. So my train is late, and that's why I just thought, you know, let me just go outside here and record something, because this is my first time also, you know, to be here in this train station here in Köln. And over there you have the taxis.
Only 9 days to go until the Western European Championship kicks off in Germany.
So this here is the other side of the main station, Bahnhof, and there you have this Kölner Dome. So this is where people come on. Okay. Yeah, you have the police cars. Holy shit, dog. Just fucking hold up. So behind me here is the Kölner Dome. So this is one of the famous buildings here in Köln or in Cologne, however you want to pronounce it. So this is the buildings like that most people, almost tourists will come and visit here. And then this is how it looks like. Then over there, here you have the main station where you can take the high-speed trains and other trains as well. So yeah, it's really interesting. I mean, check out this road. Oh, that's good. Right. Behind there, I mean, you have Iranian flags. I believe maybe they are just protesting. I mean, the peoples or those who have been killed by the government. So this here is Cologne. I mean, it's really beautiful out here, to be honest, you know. We now moving and then going to be in Mannheim, then from Mannheim, then to Basel, from Basel then to Waldshut. So I might make it today to Waldshut, I might not make it, but anyway, if I don't, then we're going to be in Basel, then tomorrow in the morning, then we can make it to Waldshut, if that's possible. So yeah, and then going to see you guys.